Hi, I am Lemon and in this video I'll show you how to multi-stream to Twitch, YouTube, Kick and other platforms at the same time using OBS Studio for free. If you are tired of streaming to only one platform and want to grow your audience faster, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. If you are only streaming to a single platform, you are limiting the number of people who can discover your content. The good news is that you can stream to multiple platforms at the same time using a free OBS plugin. Let's get started. First, open the browser. Search for Aitum Multistream plugin for OBS. Open the official website. You will find the official link in the video description. Once you are on the website, the installer will start downloading automatically. Wait for the download to finish. Once it's complete, open your downloads folder. Double click the installer. If Windows asks for permission, click yes. Follow the on-screen instruction to install the plugin. When the installation is complete, close the installer. Now launch OBS Studio. If OBS was already open during the installation, close it completely and open it again. Once OBS opens, look at the left side of the window. You should now see the multi-stream top. If you don't see it, click Docs at the top. Then enable the multi-stream plugin. Now let's connect your streaming platforms. Click the settings icon inside the multi-stream dock. Under main canvas, click Add Output. You will now see a list of supported streaming platforms. Choose the platform you want to add. Let's start with YouTube. You will need your YouTube stream key. Open your browser. Go to the YouTube Creator dashboard. Click Create, then select Go Live. If this is your first time stream, complete YouTube's live streaming verification if required. Open the Stream tab. Then click Encoder. Copy your primary stream key. Go back to OBS. Paste the stream key into the required field. Click Create Output. Now let's add key. Click Add Output again. Choose Key. Open the Key Creator dashboard. Then open the Stream tab. Go to the Stream URL and Key section. Copy your primary stream key. Return to OBS. Paste the stream key into the appropriate fields. Save your changes. You can repeat the same steps for any other platform supported by the plugin. Once all of your platforms have been added, review each output to make sure the correct stream URL and stream key have been entered. Expand the dock to see all of your platforms. Now you are ready to go live. Click Start Streaming in OBS Studio. The Aitum Multistream plugin will automatically duplicate your OBS stream and send it to every platform you have configured. You don't need to start separate streams for each platform. But if a stream doesn't start on one of your platforms, you can start it individually by clicking the live stream icon. Everything is handled from one OBS session. Before going live for real, it's a good idea to run a private or unlisted test stream to make sure everything is working correctly. Check each platform to confirm that your video, audio and chat are working as expected. If one platform doesn't receive your stream, double check the stream URL and stream key for that platform. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to stream to Twitch, YouTube, Kick and multiple other platforms at the same time using the free Aitum Multistream plugin for OBS Studio. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.